It is insane the amount of scam that goes on across Australia in recent years. It never used to be like this when I was growing up. First scam that I come across recently, a scammer pretends to be a popular electronic store. They'll send you a text message saying that you won this prize and you have to click on this link to claim your prize. Since it's time for a tax return, so every year starting from July we do our tax return, and the scammer will send you a text message saying you are due to receive an ATO refund of $1,675.51 to be exact. Visit this link and log on with your phone number and PIN number to claim. You get a text message saying that your visa is about to be cancelled. I don't have a visa. I live here. Fake parcel delivery. The scammers will email you a letter saying that you have this parcel to be collected. So you've got to do this and this and this to claim your parcel. You won a holiday prize. You get to go on this cruise. But first you need to enter your name, email address, phone number, your birthday, etc. etc. Alright, this next one's serious because I've been fooled once. It's an email letter that says you need to urgently update your password. Your account has been hacked. I click on the link, takes me to another website, and immediately I've noticed that I've been fooled because the website address is not paypal.com. It was something else. Emergency text messages that says, please come help me right now. Fake investment consultants. They either want you to invest in real estate or stocks. What can I say? I can help you. I just don't have the money. This one's actually quite regular. I get this pretty much every second week or every week. Fake Facebook profiles. They want you to add them as friends and then they'll start sending you junk, spams, and tell you to do this and that. Click on this link, apply for this and that. For whatever bill that you're paying right now every single month, the scammers will pretend to be one of these companies and email you a letter saying click on this link to update your credit card details because your payment has been declined. It'll ask you to enter your personal information such as your credit card number, date of birth, etc. So please be aware, this one's really serious. To all the scammers out there, please move on and find a decent job. I'm sure there's a lot more to come in the next few years. Please be aware. Thanks for watching.